Good evening, Dill Pickles. What's up? Here's the girl walking on the Kentucky, Indiana Big Four Bridge. It's that's me, my girlfriend, my grandfather. Kind of walking down the bridge.
Burning off dinner.
Burning
off dinner, so.
Yeah, we had, what did we have?
I don't know. I already forgot.
We had Frisch's, where I ordered the bacon cheeseburger, no pickles, lettuce or tomato, and salad bar. She ordered the country chicken dinner, the country chicken bowl from Frisch's.
I'm dying already.
And you can see the lights change. You'll see at points where the lights behind us will be a different color. And there's the Belle of Louisville coming down the Ohio River. And there's the new Abraham Lincoln Bridge that just opened up almost a week ago. By the time this video is uploaded, it'll be a week.
That doesn't look as big as the Belle.
Well, it's probably the Belle because sometimes the Belle will look. That's the only boat there is, Poppy.
Yeah, I don't think the Spirit of Jefferson is in the.
Sorry if oh, hello. Orange lights. The stacks are on the front. Sorry if it's real wind, if it's kind of hard to hear us, but it's really, really windy here. We're just kind of having a chill evening. So we're getting ready. And the cool part about the middle part of the bridge, hang on. Sorry about that. But yeah, see, blue lights. Now they're all red. And they change on the inside. So there's the boat that we're talking about. That's the one we're talking about that's coming through. My grandfather and I me and him, we were trying to figure out if that's the Belle of Louisville or not. I'm saying it is, because that's about the Belle of Louisville size. He's saying it's not big enough. Yeah, it does. Here, let's walk over here, babe. We'll see if we can see it this way. Yeah. So, one of the paddle boats is going underneath the bridge right now. So we're going to hop up here.
No. That's Bella.
Spirit of Jefferson.
Oh, was right.
Ah, we were wrong. That's the Spirit of Jeffersonville. Or Spirit of Jefferson. I guess the Belle of Louisville is closed for the night. So we got, oh, hello. Got real dark on us. It's got certain lights we're trying to get. Ah, there we go. Yeah. Wifey's always trying to make fun of me. Trying to, but it has felt great today.
Trying to sign off.
We went to the Jefferson Mall near us, hung out with some friends, met some old friends from my high school, and now we're just walking to the scenery. Louisville, and so this side over here is Kentucky, downtown Louisville. And this side over here is Jeffersonville. I don't know Indiana, and I don't know if y'all can tell, but there's actually classic music playing. So for any of y'all that want to come to the Big Four Bridge, that's what you look for. It tells you, hey, you're halfway. But this is one of the coolest bridges because it's historical. It used to be a railway bridge where trains would come through here, but then they put all these different lights through it. Lights like this one here.
Made it where we could walk.
Yeah.
Made it where we could walk on the bridge. So yeah. And
So yeah, this is fun.
it's joining the people of Kentucky and Indiana in a heartbreak moment.
Actually, I'll swing back and I'll show you something. This is the commemorative plate that Louisville got. Louisville's Mayor Greg Fisher Waterfront Development Project. So this is both of us just about fell over these benches. They were too close to the edges. But this is Chris signing off.